Hello, welcome back. Alright, let's get to the prepared materials here. Okay, and if you go to landscape here, we have many materials for landscape. You can choose, for example, many types of grass. Yes, here, as you can see, you can select each one of them just like that. And we have settings for materials, I told you before. Yes, and we have these 3D materials. These have textures, and we have the settings here. Yes, grass cut and its size, curliness, the height, just like that, and even bending force. You can change as much as you like. And then gravity force, this normal map is deactivated, and it is the intensity of texture color. Well, that's it. And go to this part. We have many type of leaves here. Yes, it depends on your project. You can choose each one of them. And in this part we have many types of stones. Yes, and here it is the settings, or soil, the wet one, the dry one, sand, and etc. Or even water. We have many types of water here. Let me show it to you. Okay, here, see, we have many types of water here. Very good. You just need to click on each one you like. All right, the next one is wood. We have many kinds of wood here, or even asphalt. Yes, in this part. Very good. And we have settings here. Very good. That's it for this material. All right, click on this one to set it by default. We have many prepared materials in order to your need. We have many categories here. For example, for this floor, if I go to a stone here, we have many categories. We have many folders, that each folder has many materials in itself. For example, bricks, sidewalk, and etc. Well, and if you click on each one, you can set it on your part. See, it has high quality. Or even you can go to concrete. And let me go to concrete folder here. We have many types of concretes, as you can see. You can set each one of them. It's up to you. It's your choice. Very good. And all of them kinda have the same settings. If I go to settings, all of them have this setting. You can change its picture, its texture, roughness, reflectivity, and etc. Alright, for example, I'm gonna choose a concrete here. Let me see what is efficient for this floor, which one is convenient for it. For example, this one is good. And after you've done your changes on it, okay, for example, reflectivity, roughness, you change all of them. As I told you before, you can save the changes. You can save this material. Go to menu and save. Yes, click on it. Let's get to the folder that we did create it before. Here, Lumion, very good. This folder, I'm gonna choose a name for it. For example, 01 concrete. Yes, and you can use this material maybe for your next project. It's up to you, and it is so useful. This feature is so good. And we have many prepared materials here by default, so you can use them according to your need. For example, this column that we have here, we should use metals for it. For example, this one or here. Well, as you can see, it is high quality. Alright, get back to, for example, this one. It is a fence, and many different metals we have here. For example, this one, and then you can go to settings, change its texture, its bump, aka relief, or maybe this stair that we have here. Click on it and go to this part. For example, this kind of metal that we have here. Yes, here. Go to settings, change the map scale, and there you go. It is kind of industrial. Okay, for example, about this ceiling that we have here, click on it and then go to plaster. We have many folders here, clay, ceiling, for example. You can choose this one, just like that. It's up to you. Many different materials. Here you can select each one of them. And after you select, for example, this one, go to settings. I'm gonna change reflectivity, roughness, scale. Yes, it is up to you. It's your choice. Texture, and etc. Okay, for example, let's get to fabrics. Yes, I'm gonna use it for this chair. Click on it, go to here. Very good. We have many types of fabrics here: carpets, curtains, or leather here. For example, go to leather. Yes, even in this part you can go to settings and change some items like reflectivity and etc. Just like that. Yes, very good. And for its base, I'm gonna choose plastic for it. For example, click on this part. Yes, go to plastic. Each one you like. It depends on your choice. And in this part you can go to settings as well as the other parts. Here you can even make it invisible by transparency or make it pale. Okay, that's it for this part, and we did talk about the glass before. If you click on glass and go to glass materials, we have many types of glasses here, as I told you before, if you remember. For example, we have this kind of glass here, or this one, which has some raindrops on itself, or even this one has some pattern, etc. Something like that. You can choose each one you like according to your project. Okay, so for example, if I'm gonna make these glasses here separate from the others, I should give them different materials. Okay, let me get back to 3D Max. Open a file here. Yes. All right. Okay, let's zoom in. I'm gonna give different materials to this part and here, and even this fence as well. Okay. Go go to materials here, general and scanline standard. Alright, now let's get to our glasses here. Alright, let me check this out. That what I should now. Very good. Let me maximize this window to see what's happening exactly. Okay. Alright, here right click, assign, yes, and then let's change its color to specify the different one, and here we go. Alright, let me connect this one to the glasses there. Yes, assign selected, and let me isolate them. Right click here, hide selected. Very good. Now let me unhide all the parts again after I did select the glasses. Very good. Go to this part. Yes. Now let me, for example, click on this glass here. As you can see, we have glass. Yes, it says it is a glass. But if I click on this fence, it says it's a material. So we did a good job. Okay, let me export this model here. Export selected. And go to this folder. Let me get back to Lumion to find the name of this model. Okay, click on this and Bmax file. So go to this folder, Bmax file, save, yes, and then you need to go to Lumion, reload, yes, re-import it, let it load. That's it. As you can see, the fence is different, and now I can give it a different material. For example, click on this and choose a glass for it. For example, this one or this one. It's up to you. Well, it helps you to use the different materials professionally and easier. It's up to you. According to your need, you can choose each one you like. For example, this one or here, and you can change its settings as well. Yes, whatever you like. It is so high quality, just like that. See you next time.